Welcome to China Tanfon Solar in Abuja, Nigeria. Yeah, today we come to customer site to satisfy the hotel project. Hello, boss.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you for your support and come to satisfy your hotel. Can you
very
introduce your hotel's information?
Okay, first of all, my name is Engineer Sylvester Okafu. I'm the chairman of Santo Royal Suites Hotel. So we are doing a project here of a 43-room hotel, including conference, bar, and other things. So we decided to choose Tanfon Solar to assist us to install a 70 kilowatts solar energy.
Yes. Yeah. And why you want to buy the solar for your hotel?
Okay, we want to buy the solar because it's going to help us to save energy. We are going to save a lot of energy by using solar. If you compare the cost of diesel, solar is far cheaper using solar compared to diesel. It's efficient.
Thank you for your cooperation.
Thank you very much.
Yes. And if you have also the hotel project like that, contact us. We will give you the good solution for you.